right, someone had asked me how to show them how I reclaim my drips if they're liquid. Now there's a video on my channel how I reclaim my dried drips and make them into jewelry. But the question was, how do you reclaim your wet drips off of your plastic and then use it again? So I start with having some cups available. And then it's very simple. I use a putty knife of some kind. And do you see these are red, white, and blue drips? And I expect that they're going to mix together to make purple. That is okay, because I can use the purple in either a poured acrylic painting, or I can use the purple in a brush painting, a painting that I use a brush with my acrylics. So either one, I don't want to waste the paint, and I want to make sure I have it for another time. So this is all metallics, no silicone. And so when I'm done reclaiming it in here, I'll mix it up really well for its final color. And then I will label it, whether it has silicone or not. And that's as simple as that. That's all I do, is just scrape it up and put it in a container. All right, so it's just that simple. I'll finish doing this and then I'll wash off the table, be ready for another painting. All right, so thank you for watching. All right, so after doing this painting, I have this much, which is probably about 4 ounces of paint left, maybe 3. You can see it's red, white, and blue, just like the painting. And when I mix it right just before I use it, it will be a deep purple. I also, after doing this painting, I actually had 7 ounces of paint left, and it's in pinks, purples, and I think a gold maybe in there, and some pearl, and it turned out to be lavender. So I will be able to use this lovely lavender for another painting, just because I recycled my drips. All right, thanks for watching.